3 terrible mistakes you are making in your PTE repeat sentence, and that is killing your score in both listening and speaking. Number 1 is that students do not wait for that 1 second pause between the question and the answer, and they speak straight away after they finish listening to their question. But the problem is there is a 1 second gap between the question and when the microphone opens to record. This way, a part of their answer gets missing and they lose a score for both fluency and pronunciation as well as content. Another mistake students make is that they wait for the beep. Now you might already know in PTE repeat sentence there is no beep. You need to look at the recording status box and start recording your answer when you see recording. Number 3, and the most terrible mistake students make, is that they try to remember the whole sentence and try to repeat it as it is in all the questions. Now it is appreciable that you are trying to answer the whole sentence or remember the whole sentence. Now remember, it is of course appreciable that you are trying to remember the whole sentence and deliver it, but you also need to understand it is not possible in most cases to repeat the whole sentence for all the questions in repeat sentence. So please try not to answer the whole sentence in all of them. If you can remember the whole sentence, do that. If you can't, please deliver as much as you can remember without any fumble and without any hesitation. Hope this was helpful. So I'm repeating these 3 again. First of all, some students do not wait for 1 second after the recording is finished. And secondly, some students wait for the beep and they miss out answering the repeat sentence properly. And number 3 is they try to answer the whole sentence in all 10 to 12 repeat sentence questions. I hope you will be able to avoid these mistakes. Thank you.